In Silicon Valley, ideas are born every second. Some change the world, most disappear without a trace. This is the story of one idea that almost failed before it even began. Alex had one dream: build an app that would make digital learning simple for everyone. But he had one problem. He didn't understand design the way professionals did, and that mistake almost destroyed everything.
An app that helps students learn faster? They can track progress and get personalized lessons. This will change everything.
He called it Learnify. In his mind, it was perfect. Without planning, without research, he opened his laptop and jumped straight into design software. He picked colors. He designed buttons. He added animations. Everything looked beautiful in his head. But there was one thing missing: structure. Still, Alex ignored it. "I'll fix it later." That was his first mistake.
Wow, this looks amazing.
But when they actually tried using it, silence. People got confused. Buttons didn't make sense. Navigation was unclear. Nobody knew where to go.
I don't understand how to use this.
If it looks good, why doesn't it work? Something was wrong, but he didn't know what.
Alex visited his old professor, a UX veteran. Good design is always about the user. Let's analyze this specific flow.
You designed the skin, but not the skeleton. I just don't understand this dashboard. Let's make it simple. This box goes here.
This is called a wireframe. This is where real design begins.
For the first time, Alex started from zero. Let's focus on the user's journey. No colors, no animations, just understanding users.
Who are you designing for? What problem are you solving?
So, what do you think? But how does a user actually get from here to there? Alex realized something shocking. He never thought about the user, only about the design.
Day by day, he rebuilt everything. On paper first, boxes, boxes, lines, simple navigation.
This was the wireframe stage. And suddenly, everything started making sense.
Let's see how you navigate this. That is a very interesting approach.
Alex tested the new wireframe with real users. This time, something was different. People didn't get confused. They understood the flow.
This actually feels easy.
Alex couldn't believe it. No fancy design, no animations, just structure, working perfectly. That's when it hit him. Good design is invisible, but bad design is loud. With confidence rebuilt, Alex redesigned Learnify properly. This time, wireframe first, UX flow clear, UI built on top of structure.
When the app launched, it didn't just look good, it worked beautifully. Students started using it daily.
Alex's startup grew faster than he ever imagined.
We started with just a simple concept, mapping out every single user flow, until it finally all came together. And that is how we built it.
I used to think design was about colors and beauty. Now I know it is about thinking, structure, and empathy.
Wireframes didn't just save my app. They saved my idea.
Every great app you use today started as nothing more than a simple sketch.
Thanks for watching this video. It may help you to learn something new.
So some love to like, comment on this video, and subscribe Tech Musty World YouTube channel for future updates.